When you know exactly what you need to do each and every day to improve your speech, and you have the tools, that is, you know what to do if and when you get stuck, because let's just face it, we're all going to have disfluencies. Everyone does. But when you know what to do when you do get stuck, your confidence will soar. My name is Michael Williams, and in this video, we're going to briefly talk about how to make your confidence soar by having a clear direction to transform your speech. So when we say have a clear direction to transform your speech, what exactly are we talking about, and how does this affect your confidence? Well, one of the things that happens is my coaching clients tell me that when they enter the program, they automatically feel more confident. Why? One reason is because they learn tools to help them transform their speech on a daily basis. That is, we give them a daily routine. They know exactly what to do each and every day to transform their speech. Number two, they have tools to help them when they get stuck. And let's face it, if anyone tells you that you're going to go through their program and you're never going to get stuck again, they are flat out lying to you. Why? Because even people who don't stutter have disfluencies. They just deal with them differently. They don't think about it. It's not even conscious, right? They just do it and they keep going. Those of us who have struggled with stuttering, we tend to be more conscious of it. We tend to think about it, tend to struggle with it more. And when that happens, right, and until you have transformed to the place where you're no longer thinking about your speech, your fluency level is super high. In fact, you see yourself as an expert. Until you get to that point, which is a process, it doesn't happen overnight. When you struggle, you need to have the tools. You need to be able to pull out the tools, pull out your tool bag, pull those tools out, and confidently use them. So, the reason that your confidence will soar, and it'll soar almost instantly, is because you will have a clear direction for two things. Number one, what you need to do every day so you can see the pathway, you can see the journey. Wow, if I keep doing these things, my speech is going to transform. It's going to change. It's going to improve. That's number two. I have the tools that I need so that when I do get stuck, I can confidently and I can calmly handle it. Does this make sense? So I want you to think about that, and I want you to remember it. And that's one of the big advantages of the Pro 90D speech system, and one of the huge advantages of the private coaching is that I'm going to give you the tools, and then I'm going to do my best to hold you accountable to using those tools long enough, right, so that they become habit. But not only using all the tools, but customizing and personalizing the tools that you need to use that will give you the most results. So my clients always tell me, hey, this has really been helpful, and I'm reminding them of which tools to use that's going to be best for them, holding them accountable as I can hold them, right? You're adults, and you have to make your own decisions, and while I'd love to be able to make you do things, I can't, right? So I can hold you accountable to a certain degree, but there's certainly a lot more accountability than if you're just on your own. So that's one of the huge advantages of working with me personally. So I just want to encourage you that if you've been struggling with your speech and you've been struggling to improve your speech on your own, go ahead and set up an assessment session with me. Let's have a private conversation about how we can accelerate your progress, okay? We'll see you in the next video.